Hello, welcome to our final review notes for part 1. So this is going to cover standards 4.6, 5.1, and 5.5. These are the three most recent of the standards we're talking about for finals, alright? Let's go over this. So for the notes, we're going to start with standard 4.6. Right, here's our steps for solving these equations. Let's check them off as we go. I'm going to go ahead and pick colors. Start with red. So use distributive property. Let's start. On the left side has no distributive property. The right side has this question and this question. So let's do it. So I'm going to bring it down, right? Negative 3a minus 7 plus 1a minus 1 equals, to multiply now, negative 8a. Negative 8 times positive 8 makes negative 64. 4 times a makes plus 4. Rewrite this is tough. Hold on 1 second. Let's make this bigger. So now we got plus 4. So plus. Sorry guys. And red pen. Alright. Plus 4a plus 28. Alright. We've done that one. Let's switch colors. Pen. Go to purple now. Purple is combined like terms. On the left, we have negative 3a plus 1a to get negative 2a, minus 7 and minus 1 to get minus 8. Here's my equal sign. On this side, negative 8a plus 4a to get negative 4a. And I have negative 64 plus 28. Type that in my calculator real quick. Negative 64 plus 28 gets me negative 36. So minus 36. Change colors again. Let's do green. So our next step, move our variable terms to one side. Here's a variable term, so we're going to add 4a and add 4a. That gives us positive 2a minus 8 equals negative 36. And the next one we'll do blue. The next step is to move my constants over, so I'm going to add 8 and add 8. That gets me plus 2a equals 28 negative. Last step is the black pen. Divide by 2 on both sides. A equals negative 14. Alright, so that's how you solve that. It's all your steps. You got to think about all those steps. We've done them a bunch. 5.1, we just did this right before Thanksgiving. I'm going to graph the inequality. Let's switch colors again. Let's do, you know what, we don't get to use purple enough. Let's use purple. So we're going to find our number on the line here. Here's 5. My inequality sign says I'm doing a solid circle because there's a line underneath it talking about or equal to. I want to talk about numbers that are less than 5, and that's going to be this direction. Over here, we have to reverse that, so I'm going to do x. I'm going to take the number that I marked on, also 5. Now I have an open circle, and then a line going this way, so I'm going to just match this. X is greater than 5. Alright. Next page. 5.5. Isomorphism qualities. Here's our steps. We're going to use distributive property again. Combine like terms on the same side. Move all the variable terms to one side. Undo addition subtraction. And 5, undo multiplication division. Remember, the only difference here is if we multiply or divide by a negative number, we have to flip our sign. And then we may flip our sign and move our x's back to the other side too, depending on how it works. So let's get our same colors. We'll start with red again. So here's this, nope, purple. Sorry. So that one and this one. So 2 times 3 to get 6x. And 2 times 6 to get plus 12. Over here I have negative 2 times 4 to get negative 8x. And negative 2 times negative 3 to get plus 6. Greater than sign. The other side just stays x plus 8 plus 2x. Back to purple. Combine like terms. So I have 6x minus 8x to get negative 2x. And I have plus 12 plus 6 to get plus 18. greater than sign. Other side, I have 1x plus 2x to get 3x. Alright, and I have plus 8. My next, sorry. My next step was green. I had to move my letters to the other side, so I'm going to do minus 3x to get it on the left, because that's where I want it. Negative 5x plus 18 is greater than 8. And then blue, minus 18 and minus 18 on the other side of my inequality. Negative 5x is greater than negative 10. 8 minus 18, 8 minus 18 equals negative 10. Just going to go down here, right? Last step is I'm going to divide by negative 5. Remember, it's going to leave me x. My negative, as I flip my inequality sign to less than, it's going to leave me 2. We do not have to graph, so there's our answer for this one. Right, and that's it for this set of notes. If you take a look, these are due Friday, December 9th, and you have a bunch of stuff to do. So we start with 4.6, right, then more 4.6, and then here's a page of 5.1 to graph, practice that, and then 5.5. All right.